Learning Unity, a popular game development engine, can be an exciting journey. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of game development, including game loops, assets, scenes, and scripting. Understanding these fundamentals will provide a strong foundation. Download and install Unity. Visit the official Unity website, create an account if needed, and download the Unity Hub. Unity Hub allows you to manage multiple Unity versions and projects. Explore the interface. Launch Unity and take some time to explore the interface. Understand the layout of the different panels and windows, such as the Scene View, Game View, Hierarchy, Inspector, and Project Panel. Learn C# programming. Unity uses C# for scripting. If you're new to programming, start by learning the basics of C#. There are numerous online resources, tutorials, and courses available to help you get started with C# programming. Unity's official learning resources. Unity offers extensive official learning resources, including tutorials, documentation, and projects. Start with their Learn section on the Unity website. They have beginner-friendly tutorials that cover everything from creating a simple game to more complex topics. Online courses. There are many online platforms that offer Unity courses, both free and paid. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning have comprehensive courses for beginners to advanced users. YouTube tutorials. YouTube hosts a vast collection of Unity tutorials created by both Unity themselves and independent creators. These video tutorials can walk you through various aspects of Unity game development. Practice regularly. Learning Unity requires hands-on practice. Start with small projects and gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Building projects will help solidify your knowledge. Join Unity communities. Participate in Unity forums, Reddit groups, and other online communities where you can ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others' experiences. Read books. There are several books available that cover Unity game development in detail. These books can provide in-depth explanations of concepts and techniques. Experiment and innovate. Don't be afraid to experiment and come up with your own ideas. Building your own projects, even if they're small, is a great way to apply what you've learned and develop your skills further. Keep up with updates. Unity regularly releases updates with new features and improvements. Stay informed about these updates to make the most of the latest tools and capabilities. Remember, learning Unity takes time and patience. Be persistent and focus on understanding the underlying concepts. As you gain experience, you'll become more proficient in creating games and interactive experiences using Unity. Thanks for watching.